Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do the marble effect with water spotting. So first up, I used a Barry M black nail polish. I applied 2 thin coats of the polish. This will be the base for my design. Then with the Beauty Big Bangs liquid latex, I apply sort of a good coverage over my finger and my cuticle, just to save any sort of cleanup at the end, as water spotting can get quite messy. And then with a white polish, I add 2 drops into some lukewarm water. It has to be lukewarm because, as you see, the polish disperses better. And then with some pure acetone and a fan brush, I tap the brush onto the bowl and flick the acetone into the polish, and the acetone breaks the polish up, as you can see. Then dip your finger into the polish in the desired area, and then we peel off the liquid latex. And then with a fine detail brush and some more acetone, I've just gone in and sort of smudged out the white polish to create the marbled look. Just keep doing this till you get your desired effect. And again, I'm showing you the technique. So 2 drops of your polish into the lukewarm water. Then with the fan brush and the pure acetone, it needs to be pure acetone because normal nail polish remover will not create the same effect. And I find using a fan brush, it sort of flicks into the water better. So once you have your desired water marble, pop your finger into the polish, like so. Peely off the liquid latex. It just saves so much time using liquid latex. That bit didn't want to come off. Again, with your brush and your acetone, just go in, dab off some of the white, thin it out, just do whatever you need to. It's not perfect. There's no right and wrong way of doing it. It's just how you want it to look in the end. And then I used the Barry M matte top coat to finish my design. Don't forget, guys, to hit that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.